In this video, we'll be talking about condo earthquake insurance policies, how they differ from earthquake insurance for homeowners policies. So if you own a condo or a townhouse and you're interested in earthquake insurance, stay tuned. This will be some important information for you. Okay, so here we are with the coverages for the condo and townhouse earthquake insurance. And with respect to the condo and townhouse earthquake insurance, we are referring to an equivalent of an HO6 policy that the condo insurance is written on. So if you have a townhouse and it is written on a HO3 policy, a regular homeowners policy, then this would not apply to your earthquake insurance, will be just like a homeowner's earthquake insurance. But if you have a condo policy for your fire insurance, for your regular condo fire insurance, then this would apply to your condo insurance. So the earthquake insurance mimics the way the condo insurance or the regular fire insurance is written. And coming back to the coverages here, we see that there's dwelling, personal property, loss of use, and loss assessment. And a dwelling for condo policies works different than homeowners because it's walls in coverage. You don't usually own the outside walls. That's owned by the condo association. The building is owned by the association. So you have walls in coverage, and the association owns the outside walls, the framing, the building itself. And this is where is the most confusion comes, because they find out that the association does not have, for example, a master earthquake policy. Many associations in California and Washington, they don't have a master earthquake policy. They have a master fire policy, but nothing for the earthquake. And the unit owner has spent millions of dollars on this sometimes, and they want to make sure that they're protected in case something like an earthquake happens, because the association is going to assess upon the unit owner that damage to the building, to reconstruct the building. So the unit owners will have to pay for the construction of the building, the association. Read the bylaws or the agreement between you and the association. This will highlight all the areas that are not really so apparent, and it will shine light on what you should get coverage for. Okay, but the dwelling coverage is limited. So if you spend $1 million on the condo and you say, I want to get $1 million of coverage, the insurance company is not going to give you the coverage for the building, damage to the building. They're going to pay for walls in coverage for the repair, the reconstruction of what you had walls in, the fixtures, the flooring, the toiletries, things like that. Okay, not to the outside where it's owned by the association. The insurable interest is not yours, so that's the association's. Now, personal property is the stuff inside your home. Your electronics, furniture, jewelry, clothes, breakables, things that you can pick up and walk out the door. Those are the personal property. Loss of use, again, it's additional living expenses in case you have to live elsewhere and you have to pay rent elsewhere while your unit is being repaired. And then loss assessment. This is the big one for condo policies, because this part of the coverage, this will pay for the assessment upon you, the unit owner, by the association for the damage to the common areas of the association, to the building. So there's damage to the building. They assess that amount onto the unit owners, divided on the unit owners, and whatever your share is, your coverage from here will be paid to the association. So this is a very important coverage to have, and there's a limit on this, and it depends on the carrier what that limit is, and we can help you decide how much you need and how much you want to get and about this. So we have 4 coverage here: dwelling, personal property, loss of use, and loss assessment. Well, there you have it, folks. That is all for the condo earthquake insurance policies. In other videos, we'll go through some different information about what is the best condo earthquake insurance company. And if you'd like to learn more, you can go to our website at earthquakeagent.com. We have a learning center there. You can go through many videos and get your answers to the questions you have, or give us a call or fill out a quote form on our website on earthquakeagent.com.